The U.S. expected to announce new measures that have to do with U.S. companies spending on technology in China, right? You have some talk about a ban on TikTok that still is persisting and floating around here in the U.S. China, for its part, also planning some measures about having to do with its tech industry. Should U.S. investors avoid China tech like the plague at this point?
It's a difficult question to answer, I think, Julie, because, yes, on the one hand, you should at least be careful. The crackdown on China tech is not fully over, and we don't know what that really means in that sense. It's very hard to get a handle on that from Chinese communique. On the other hand, it's clear that we're working on an executive order to limit investment in particularly semiconductors, a lot of restrictions on doing business with China tech companies on artificial intelligence. So that geopolitical tension there is there. And yet, if you look at, say, ETFs, very simple, the CQQ ETF that measures the China ETF, a tech ETF, that's outperforming our domestic technology. So it does indicate to me that there's spending money coming from the China government into Chinese companies that investors have taken on as the positive development. So I don't think you should fully avoid it. You got to be aware of the geopolitical environment around China tech and how it all relates to the US and Europe.